Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to speak about how to wash a wedding gown or a pre-wedding gown. Some people, like for me, if I want to wash it in Dobby, it's quite far for me and it's quite expensive in Malaysia. So we rather wash it by ourselves. So the way I'm going to show you how to wash by ourselves. This gown has a lot of beads work on it, so we can't use it in the washing machine. If we put it in the washing machine, then the beads pattern, everything will be gone. So we don't want to risk the beads getting damaged. So I'll show you how to wash the gown without damaging the beads. So let's get started. I already have a tub of water which I filled up, and I already put soap. So which I use, the soap is Causeway soap, a bit of Dynamo soap, and a bit of softener liquid. So this is actually in a liquid bottle which I just filled up from a normal container. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the camera one side. I'm going to take the gown and I'm going to soak it for 1 hour. And after that I'm going to rinse it and dry it. As it is, you can see the gown is already inside the soap water. So we'll soak it for 1 hour. So there's only 25 minutes left. So I'm going to turn the thing over and let it soak for the 25 minutes left. It's hard to turn. Okay, as it is, it's already time for me to take out the gown and rinse already. So now I'm going to take out the gown and rinse it in this water, clean water. So once I do that, then I'll put it for dry. Now I've already rinsed it and I'm drying it in the sun. As it is, you can see today's sun is not that much because cloudy, and I'm just leaving it for maybe 1.5 hours or slightly more than that. So I'm just going to leave it for dry. As for now, you can see my gown is from outside to inside now. Actually the weather was a bit gloomy, but now you can see the sky is very clear. But too bad I can't hang it outside because I'm going out with my mom to do my mom's car radio. So I have to transfer it into in my balcony covered area. So at least it'll dry with the wind. As this you can see, the wind is very strong. So once I come back, I'll check on the gown, and I've turned it upside down since the outside is already dried, so the inside part is still wet. So I've turned it upside down to let it dry. Now you can see the gown is fully dried and it's very clean. So that's how to do the washing at home with a gown. If you like this video, do click the like button, and for more videos please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.